Hello friends, welcome to English का ज्ञान चिंतन के साथ and today we are going to discuss two words with meaning and with sentence. Likewise, we always do. So without wasting any time, let's start the discussion. The first word for this particular video that I have selected is proliferate. Okay, the pronunciation is little bit confusing, but just try to focus on what I say is proliferate. Okay, if I talk about the category of this word, then the category is verb. Okay, and if I talk about the meaning of this particular word is something like when something increase in amount or in quantity, so that can be considered as a proliferate. Okay, simply increase is the synonym for this particular word. So whenever you guys use increase word, that can be simply replaced with the proliferate. Okay. Okay. Now let's without wasting further time, let's see how we can use this proliferate word in our sentences. So very general scenario nowadays in this situation, the number of corona cases proliferate daily, right? We all know the situation of entire world, that number of corona cases proliferate daily, यानी वो हर रोज जो नंबर ऑफ केसेस है, कोरोना केसेस है, वो बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं. That is what the meaning of proliferate word. And the second sentence that I have created is also very much similar, or is also very much in the context of the current situation. And sentence is, in this pandemic situation, number of online courses proliferate. Earlier, see, in specific to India, okay, the online education was not that much popular, but definitely we can consider one positive aspect of Corona thing is something like the uses of technology, right? People are not reluctant now to use the technology for betterment of their life, and online education is also one part of that. And owing to that reason, nowadays we can see that number of online courses are really has been really increased. So that is what the meaning of this particular sentence in the context of proliferate word. Okay, so I hope from this particular two sentence you understand how to utilize the proliferate word in a communication, in a sentences. I hope you understand. Okay, now let's go to the second word that I have selected for this particular video, and the second word is revamp, right? Again, if I talk about the category, then the category is verb, and the meaning for this particular word is to make something better or to change something to make it better. Okay, or simply you can consider the meaning as change. So whenever we use change in our sentence, that can be replaced with revamp word, right? Okay, now let's go to the first sentence that I have created for this particular word is government should take strong and smart actions to revamp the healthcare facilities. It means that गवर्नमेंट को जो भी हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज है उनको चेंज करना चाहिए और उनको लाइक उनको they should take such decisions by which the healthcare facilities will be revamped और healthcare facilities जो है वो better हो जाएगी. That is what the meaning of revamp word, right? By taking proper actions and proper what I can say, proper actions and proper initiatives, the healthcare facilities should be revamped for betterment of the country, for betterment of the patients of specific diseases and current situation for the corona patient. So that is what the meaning of revamp was, right? And the second sentence is I have created is something like this: sports players need to revamp their technique to perform well after this lockdown period. Specifically, yesterday just sports players come to my mind, but this particular sentence applicable to all. Okay, we also need to revamp our skill set also. Okay, to perform well in respective field after this lockdown period, because within this lockdown period it may possible that we may become a little bit stagnant or a little bit lazy about improving our skill set and all those things. So owing to that reason, it is really necessary for each and every individual to revamp their either techniques or revamp their skill, okay, to perform well after this lockdown period. So it is also applicable for sports players. It is also applicable for any private employees and the employees who are working in private firms, employees who are working in government field or something like that, the students, and to all. It is applicable to all, right? So I hope you understand the meaning of both these words, with meaning and with sentence. If you really feel that you learned something from this particular video, okay, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Just one point, like I have a couple of queries from the users that sometimes the pronunciation of all these words is quite tough. So for them, uh, like let's say for example, if you are giving an IELTS examination, in that particular case, if you're not sure about how to pronounce that particular word, but if you're sure about the usage of that particular word, then definitely you can use that particular word in your writing session, because nobody is going to judge your pronunciation as far as you are using that particular word in your writing only. Okay, so this is a small tip for you guys to use this advanced vocabulary in your writing session instead of using it in speaking session. If you are not clear about the pronunciation, if you are clear about the pronunciation, then it is win-win situation for you guys. You can use anywhere this kind of words for your communication. Okay, but for IELTS givers, if you are not sure about the pronunciation of this word, then try to avoid using these words in your speaking session, but definitely you can use in writing session to get more bands. Okay, and I have achieved my results with the help of all these words. So please guys, try to use these words in your day-to-day communication and in your IELTS examination for getting good bands. Okay, till then, we will meet next weekend. Till then, bye bye and be happy.